All right, so one thing about these fishing tournaments that I realized is you leave out pretty early in the morning, and some of these places we've been to, lighting's not that great, so decided to take a chance and upgraded the old trailer today with some reverse lights. Super simple, took me total maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours at most, and majority of it was redoing the plug, but I'm gonna show you what all I did. All right, first thing we did was the normal boat trailer had the little 4-wire connector. Well, I went ahead and I changed it from the 4-wire to the 7-pin. That way I could get the wiring for the reverse lights. And so what I had to do there was cut the old wire off, put the new one on, buy this Walmart AutoZone, fairly inexpensive, I think like $20-30, and has the diagram for all the terminals, shows you what all they are. So I went ahead and I wired that in, got it all set up. I took and I ran another wire right here. I think the green one over here, I split it off of another set, but that is the reverse light for this side, and then the white one over there is the reverse light for that side. Ran it all the way down the trailer, and then ended up setting them up right there, and fairly inexpensive. So I picked these up from your local Walmart, I think for like $25. Like I said, I went ahead and put one on each side. I feel like it's gonna be a game changer for the unloading the boat at 5 o'clock in the morning. Be able to see the boat ramp, actually back down it, and not have to worry about if you're too close to dock, whatever you can't see. Gonna give enough light. Like I said, got it all installed. I'm gonna show you the finished product. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments. Let me know. I'll fill you in on everything I know about it. I went ahead, I waterproofed all the connections. That way you can back it in the water. It's not gonna mess them up. These lights, I got them from Walmart, $30. They're supposed to be waterproof, but I feel like if they last, 5-6 times and they go out, they've made their money. So should be fine. Just buy another set, start it all over. But be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.